All right, today we're gonna bring a drawer, black, beautiful with golden tip drawer. We're gonna open it up and see what we get. We get something like this, but just to let you guys know, the box is a little heavy. It takes two people to move it around. To assemble, it's easy. We're gonna go ahead and assemble it and see how easy it is. I'm not gonna do a tutorial how to assemble it. The instructions are included. We're gonna take a look at how it looks. So let's go ahead and do that. So you get the assembly kit here with all the screws and the metal pieces and the handles. Now everything's well marked, if you guys can see. I assembled the whole thing here so I can know exactly what's included, checking the list before I start the whole thing out. So we're gonna go ahead and start the process and get it started.
Hi, today we have this beautiful dresser made of solid and durable MDF board. Has plenty of storage space, lots of room to put away things. It has beautiful golden handles here, also beautiful golden legs to give it class to any room. You could have it in your bedroom, in the living room, if you want to use it to put your TV on top of it. It's very sturdy and solid. It has great storage space, nice and big for you to place anything that you need to put away. Great for entrances, living rooms, or bedrooms. Great gift for families or just to buy it for your own home. And took about maybe an hour to assemble, so not difficult at all.